Let's see how to enter and generate connections in the CYPE 3D model. To do this, we open the Joints menu at the top of the interface. If no connections have been entered, only two options are displayed: New and Generate. The New option allows us to create a connection manually. To create a connection that considers all the bars in a node, we select the node with the left mouse button. The connection editing window will open where we can modify its components. Then we click on Accept. The created connection is displayed in blue in the model viewer. To create a connection at the end of an element, such as a base plate, we select the end of the element with the left mouse button and then right-click the mouse. We can also select the end node with the left mouse button if it is the only element used. Again, we accept the connection editing window. To create a connection between a group of elements, we select the elements with the left mouse button in an area near the code where we wish to create the connection, and then right-click the mouse. We accept the connection editing window. We can define more than one connection in the same node by selecting different groups of elements. Once there are connections in the project, the remaining options will be available in the Joints menu. Using the Delete option, we can delete the created connections by selecting them one by one with the left mouse button or by using the crossing method. Then, we confirm this deletion with the right mouse button. The Generate option allows us to create the connections of the structure automatically. To do this, the program analyzes all the nodes in the structure and assigns the detected connections to those elements that do not have a previously defined connection. After clicking on the option, we must indicate whether we wish to group, if possible, the connections that have been generated. Then, in the information window, the number of connections that have been generated is displayed. Once we click on Accept, any nodes containing a connection that has been detected and generated are marked in blue in the model viewer. The generation of connections depends on the geometry of the intersections, the number of bars in their section, the section layout, the elements created, and whether or not there are pinned connections at the end of the bars. If the program does not generate a connection for a specific point, we can check these details so that the connection defined in the model is matched to one of the connections that the program is able to identify.